everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Social Studies class. Today I would be starting off new chapter from civic section, and that is diversity in India. So let's get started. First we will try to understand what is the meaning of diversity. Diversity means होता है differences और हिंदी में इसे हम विभिन्नता या विविधता भी बोल सकते हैं. Diversity is any dimension that can be used to differentiate people from one another. It's about empowering people by respecting and appreciating what makes them different in terms of age, gender, ethnicity, religion, disability, education, and national origin. Diversity basically means understanding that each individual is unique and different. हम सभी एक दूसरे से अलग होते हैं, different होते हैं. If you take an example of your class, each student is different from one another. That difference may be in terms of food we eat, or choices we make in our life, our traditions, our customs, religions, age, gender, background, and many other areas. So basically, we need to accept and respect this difference. The existence of different types of people in the environment is called diversity. Our societies, communities, neighborhoods, and classrooms are diverse because people from different parts of the world live together in single community. They speak different languages, wear different clothes, and follow different religions. So we need to accept and respect the individual differences, because if we'll not do that, it won't be possible for all of us to survive in this world. Now let's talk about diversity in the context of our country, means diversity in India. India is a vast country with diverse culture. The Indian culture is an amalgamation of several cultures. Amalgamation का मीनिंग है कॉम्बिनेशन या हम इसे मिक्सचर भी कह सकते हैं. It is the sum total of its diverse religions, festivals, languages, dress and food. हमारे इंडिया का जो कल्चर है वो कई सारे रिलीजन्स, फेस्टिवल्स, लैंग्वेजेस, फूड, ड्रेसेस, इन सब का एक कॉम्बिनेशन है या इन सभी का एक मिक्सचर है. It presents endless varieties of physical and cultural features. People of India are different from each other as they belong to different families, speak different dialects and languages. What is the meaning of dialects? Dialects means it is a particular form of language which is peculiar to a specific region. मतलब किसी एक specific जगह की regional या local language. Eat distinct food, wear a variety of traditional dresses, and come from different socio-economic backgrounds. We must respect these differences and celebrate the diversity of India. As I told you earlier, that we must always respect each other's differences. We should understand that, we should accept and respect that at the same time. Diversity can be categorized in 5 types: geographical diversity, economic diversity, religious diversity, cultural diversity, and racial diversity. Now we will talk about each and every category in detail. Now let's talk about geographical diversity. India is very rich in natural resources. The Peninsula Plateau is rich in minerals, and the mountain ranges are the source of rivers that nurture life along their course. India is made up of 6 physical divisions, and each of them contribute to the geographical diversity of the country. Physical divisions are the Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, the Peninsula Plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plains and the islands. हमारी पूरी कंट्री को हम 6 फिजिकल फीचर्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, और यही सारे फिजिकल फीचर्स हमारी कंट्री की जियोग्राफिकल डाइवर्सिटी या डिफरेंसेस का कारण है. Now we will talk about some other important points related to geographical diversity. The fertile coastal plains and the ghats along the coastlines of India have attracted traders who came for spices such as pepper and cardamom since the ancient times. पुराने ज़माने से ही अलग अलग रीजन्स और कंट्रीज से लोग हमारी कंट्री में ट्रेड करने आते ही रहे हैं. The Thar Desert, the mangrove forest, the northern plains, also known as the food basket of India, the Peninsula Plateau, and the islands, all add to the geographical diversity of India. The geographical diversity in turn leads to diverse climatic conditions, fauna, flora, and way of life. For example, if you visit any hill station, you will notice the difference among the food habits, the way of life, or the way people wear clothes is actually different from the people who are living in desert regions. This difference is because of geographical diversity only. So basically, whatever the climatic variations we experience is because of geographical diversity. People living in different regions have different food habits, clothes, occupations, and customs, which are all influenced by the region in which they live and the climatic conditions of the place. Role of history. Have you ever wondered how India became a land with such diversity? If we look back in history, we can understand the factors that have contributed to this rich culture. People from distant regions visited India for religion, adventure, and trade. Some even came as conquerors. The arrival of these people in India influenced its culture greatly. Potatoes, tomatoes, and chilies, which are an integral part of Indian cuisine today, were brought to India by the Portuguese and other Europeans. This led to form a consolidated whole that is the India that we know today. Each period of history had a distinct influence on the culture of India. Now, moving on to economic diversity, first we will try to understand what is the meaning of this term. Economic diversity refers to the variations found in economic background of a people in a country. इकोनॉमिक वर्ड का मतलब होता है आर्थिक, यानी हर इंसान की आर्थिक स्थिति या फाइनेंशियल बैकग्राउंड एक दूसरे से अलग होता है. The economic condition of people is determined by the region in which they live. Some areas which are rich in mineral resources are economically better off than areas where mineral resources are scarce. Agriculture, which is the main occupation in the country, is the basis of the livelihood of the people. आज भी हमारी कंट्री में ज़्यादातर लोगों का मेन ऑक्यूपेशन एग्रीकल्चर है, या हम ये कह सकते हैं कि एग्रीकल्चर पर ही उनकी लाइफ डिपेंडेंट है. In the plains, where food crops grow in plenty, people depend on farming for their sustenance. जिन एरियाज में फूड क्रॉप्स ज़्यादा मात्रा में ग्रो करती हैं, वहाँ पर लोग फार्मिंग पर डिपेंडेंट होते हैं. बट उन एरियाज में जहाँ पर बारिश ठीक मात्रा में नहीं हो पाती है, वहाँ पर लोगों का ऑक्यूपेशन फार्मिंग नहीं होता है, लाइफ स्टॉक रियरिंग, माइनिंग या फिर दूसरे ऑक्यूपेशंस को वो लोग फॉलो करते हैं. Now, moving further, we will now talk about religious diversity. Religious diversity is the fact that there are significant differences in religious belief and practices. India is not homogeneous in terms of religion. Means पूरी कंट्री में सिर्फ एक ही रिलीजन नहीं फॉलो किया जाता है. इनफैक्ट यहाँ पर कई सारे अलग अलग रिलीजन को प्रैक्टिस किया जाता है, जैसे हिंदुइज्म, इस्लाम, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, Zoroastrianism, and many others. India is a secular country, and the Constitution of India ensures that all religions are treated equally. हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में भी यही लिखा है कि हमें हर रिलीजन की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए, and if we are following any particular religion, that doesn't mean that we will say something against about any other religion. So we should respect and accept this difference also. Now let's talk about cultural diversity. Cultural diversity means variety of different cultures. Cultural diversity can also refer to having different cultures respect each other's differences. India is an amalgamation of various cultures and traditions. This is reflected in the different festivals that are celebrated by different people from different states. हमारे इंडिया में एक ही नहीं बल्कि कई सारे डिफरेंट कस्टम्स, ट्रेडिशंस एंड फेस्टिवल्स सेलिब्रेट किए जाते हैं और यही यूनिकनेस है हमारे कल्चर की. Each state also has its own unique music, dance forms, and traditions. The diverse culture of India is its core strength. Now let's talk about racial diversity. Race is a mixture of physical, behavioral, and cultural attributes. Basically, race mixture होता है हमारे physical features का, हमारे behavioral patterns का, and हमारे cultural attributes का. Racial diversity refers to people belonging to various races and ethnic groups having different physical characteristics living together in the same state or country. India is home to people from different cultures. Favorable physiography and climatic conditions have brought about an influx of people from all around the world. What is the meaning of influx? Influx means an arrival or entry of large number of people or things. This is a major factor which contributes of the racial diversity that exists in India. Now let's talk about diversity and equality. This is the most important part. The Constitution of India treats all citizens of India as equal. हमारा भारत का संविधान सभी सिटीजन्स को एक समान रूप से ट्रीट करता है. Equality means promoting and accepting the differences between people. In the view of India's diversity, the Constitution of India promotes and supports national integration in which all people from different races, religions, cultures, castes, and background are treated equally. मीन्स हमें हमेशा हर इंसान को एक समान रूप से ट्रीट करना चाहिए, चाहे वो कोई भी रिलीजन फॉलो करता हो, चाहे उसका कोई भी बैकग्राउंड हो या कोई भी कास्ट एंड जेंडर हो. हमें कभी भी किसी भी इंसान को इन बेसिस पर डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं करना चाहिए. However, this has not been wholly achieved. There are still innumerable instances where people have been discriminated against. हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखे होने के बावजूद भी कई बार लोग दूसरों को रिलीजन, कास्ट, जेंडर या उनके कल्चर और बैकग्राउंड के बेसिस पे डिस्क्रिमिनेट करते हैं, which is actually very wrong. Developing an awareness and appreciation for diversity and guaranteeing access to opportunity and inclusion for all is an ongoing process. Unity in diversity. Do you all know this phrase that unity in diversity was first used by Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, in his book The Discovery of India? Actually, this unity in diversity is the main strength of our country. Despite the variety of cultures, India remains a united country. We take pride in different cultures, respect them, and consider them at par with each other. People from diverse groups identify themselves as citizens of India. This unity, which binds us despite our differences, is what makes India unique, united amidst diversity. So that's all for today. I hope you all have learned a lot through this video. I will be uploading my next video very soon. Thank you.